The Magnum Series by Liberty Safe is an American-made heavy-duty safe that comes in 3 sizes, all with level 8 security and 2.5 hours of fire protection at 1200 degrees. Level 8 security ensures that your property is always protected with a 7-gauge folded steel frame. The door is equipped with up to 18 half-inch thick military-style locking bars, a ball-bearing hard plate, and a slip clutch mechanism to prevent forced entry. Coming in your choice of color, hardware options, and up to 4 interior configurations. It also includes lights and a dehumidifier. The Magnum Series is one of our finest high-end safes, and level 8 is the highest level of security and fire protection that we offer. As with all Liberty Safes, the Magnum Series is protected by our extensive lifetime warranty.